I need some breakfast. Got all the necessities. All right, guys. So today we are headed to the Tail of the Dragon. Oh yeah. Now, the last time we went on a mountain rally, we just went up to the Snake, and we drove around there and around Boone all weekend. And this time we are headed all the way to Tennessee, to Robbinsville, like North Carolina / Townsend, Tennessee. We're gonna be headed to the Tail of the Dragon, which is like about 319 curves, or like switchbacks in 11 miles. So it's gonna be a crazy trip. I'm excited. I got the GoPro. We're gonna be sending it with Ryan, with Wes, with Jacob, and I think the new guy is Cody. So the whole crew's coming today, and I'm kind of excited, and I'm ready to document this, guys, so you can see like how much fun we have on these trips. I'm excited to bring you guys along. So I'm gonna grab some breakfast, and we're gonna start our drive. We gotta stop in Asheville to get some GoPro batteries because me and Ryan forgot them, and then yeah, so it's gonna be a fun day. I'm excited, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Hey buddy.
Finally.
Are you ready to rip and roll?
Don't you want to eat breakfast before you go?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat breakfast first, but are you ready to rock and roll?
I'm ready to rumble!
What a goofball. We're actually gonna hit 100,000 miles here in the next, 51 miles apparently. And I'm kinda sad because my baby girl's getting old. It's okay, my dad's gonna buy it off of me, so we're good. We're good. We're good. We put 7,000 miles in under a year, so we're good. Ladies and gentlemen, we have finally made it up to the Dragon. So we're at the Topeka Lodge. We're gonna wait on Ryan to eat, but he's slow and doesn't want to, come and, be with us. I think that's how you say it, Tapoco. But yeah, guys, we are going to wait on them to eat. Yeah, we're gonna let the Boxster cool down, get a reading on the oil level. When we were in Asheville, the oil level was like at the bottom, and so I don't know if all the oil was super hot and viscosity was super high, but we're just gonna wait on it for a little while, let it cool down, get some stretches in, get everything tied down in the truck so it doesn't go sloshing everywhere, you know what I'm saying? Wes, are you excited? Are you excited to drive the Dragon, or are you excited for drinking later?
Both. Drinking.
I'm ready for some good food.
Yeah, if Ryan would hurry up and get here.
I know, right? Oh, that sounds.
You said the rain's supposed to stop at 1.
Well, that's good. We have no service right now at all.
I just picked up a bar.
Oh, nice. I'm hoping we see it's just a 6 out here. That'd be funny. You know how ironic that would be? Because the last time they came, they drove in the rain too. And we're up here in the rain for no reason. But yeah, these tires did actually look pretty good. I got the Continentals up front. You guys have seen that in the last video. It's looking pretty good though. They ride super smooth. It's nice to have all 4 tires the same. A rental car up here would be like a rental car service up here. Like, you do a lot of down payments and like high insurance rates and stuff. Yeah, you could do it. I mean, people would drive that. People would do it, 100%. All right, guys, so we're probably gonna hit up the Dragon real quick and then meet up with Ryan. And I probably won't film going up the Dragon the first time because we're gonna take it slow, gonna feel it out, gonna see how many people are out there because apparently it's Boxer weekend. It's like all the Subarus and stuff. So we're gonna see how packed it is, and we're gonna meet up with Ryan, and I'll pick you guys up when we see him. No way.
Hello?
Excuse?
Are you MC LGBTQ Production Garage?
Yes. Dude, there's nobody on it. I was hauling some booty.
Oh yeah, the rain should be over.
Yeah, Wes is like slow, so.
Oh, he's still back there?
Yeah.
I gotta talk to him about like not crossing over yellow and shit.
Yeah.
Yo!
What's up, vlog?
We made it!
Let's go!
We made it, boys, let's go!
We got the Mazda boys out here.
Dude, for real.
They've probably gone through about 20 motors each one.
I thought it was Boxer weekend, bro.
Slow. That guy's slow. He pulled over for me twice.
Fuck, how long have you been sitting here?
Like 2 seconds.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Perfect timing.
Yeah, really. You wanna go down to like the next one or something so we don't mess up Mazda Club Century?
We can wait for other places.
Ryan!
What?
Come on! No. Starting over.
He did really good, guys. You should subscribe because I feel weird. I feel awkward. Don't. Hey, I'm camera shy, man. Camera shy.
This guy.
No, you did a lot better than you did last time, which is very impressive because you were slow as hell last time. We were getting it. We were flowing.
I was watching my old videos, watching you, like following you, and I was like, man, why? There's no footage of me following you because I'm slow as heck. No, but it was really
This time
fun.
we'll switch it back and forth.
Yeah.
You're fun to follow.
It's crazy. It's so much different than being on a bike. It's weird. I feel like I'm so slow in a car because on a bike you don't brake through the corners. You brake right before and then you like follow through. It's crazy actually being in a car. So we're gonna go eat for a second and then we'll be back. You got batteries, right?
What do you mean about that?
You got batteries.
You didn't forget it, did you?
You got batteries?
For what?
The camera?
No.
What do you mean you don't have batteries for the camera?
My camera doesn't use your same battery.
Yeah, it does.
No, it does not.
Yeah, you got a 6600, right?
Oh, it's a 64.
Oh. All right, guys, we're gonna head back to the cabin now.
All right,
My
guys,
neck hurts.
And we're about to have a question. Why are we walking out of the way?
We're gonna head up to the cabin, and Ryan's gonna get my camera. Why you gotta flick off the camera? Quit flicking off the camera. You're not. It doesn't make you any cooler, bro.
I'm not flicking off the camera. I'm flicking off you. Leave that in the video.
Oh my God, he's a savage. His hood's popped. Why is his hood popped? Does he know that? Yeah, his front's popped. Yeah, hopefully. Ooh, I like the American flag right there. Dang. So we're still like 5 minutes out. I have no idea. We're in the Boondocks. We got a little stream right here. It's actually a pretty cool little area.
Right by the house as well.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, guys, we're almost there. Oh my gosh, that sounded bad. This house we're staying in. Oh, is that it up there? That'd be pretty. It is. It's that one. So we have made it to the house. The driveway's actually super sketchy, so we're all parking right here. All right, let's see if we can get Ryan up here. This driveway's insanely steep. All right, cool. Come on, Ryan. All right. Got it. Keep going. All right, keep going. You're good. You got it. Go. You're good. You got it. Got it left. Yes, sir. All right, cut it left. Oh, this is sketchy. We made it. That was sketchy. Yes, sir. That was so funny. All right, boys, just climbed the hill. We're out of breath. Let's see how this house looks. Oh, we got a little crock pot action. Oh my gosh. Dude, this place is right. See, we got an arcade machine. Oh my gosh, definitely gonna have to check that out. Sheesh. Oh, you're getting toasted in some cornhole. Ryan, look at this house, bro.
Hey, did it come with that?
Damn, Bobby.
Dude, this is nice.
Did it come with that speaker?
Yeah. Dude, this is sick.
Hey, they got you ketchup, Ryan.
Oh.
That
made your trip right there?
Yep.
Dude, this is insane. I love this place. Great view. Nice. Good job.
It is
Does it sound good?
Cool.
Yeah.
Savage bouncing off the two-step, bro.
That's awesome. Heck yeah. Race cars.
Hey, is this the...
That's so funny. The lady that's we're renting the house from came up and she's like, can my boy see your cars and everything? And like we're like, yeah, sure. And so they're loving Ryan's car right now. Alright guys, so you just saw the house clips and we're actually heading down back to the Dragon to go see the dam, that kind of stuff. Get one more run in before it rains tomorrow. Sadly, it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. Hopefully it'll let up by the afternoon so we can get some runs in tomorrow too. But waiting on Ryan and old Cody to get done. Wes went to get food from the grocery store. I think he went to Food Line or something like that. So we are set and I'm gonna pick you guys back up on GoPro or on here if it's wet.
Hey guys, Miller here with MC Production Garage.
You kill switched me on a car. This guy. I'll pick you guys up either on the GoPro or at the Fontana Dam. All right, guys, so we are just heading back down the Dragon. We got like a park ranger like on our tails back there. I don't know if you can see that, but we really don't know what he's doing. He came up kind of hot on us. We were parked on the side of the road, so like, I don't know what he's doing, but we're gonna wait. We don't want to push it while he's behind us, just in case, you know. So we're just gonna practice some techniques here. I need to scoot my seat up. But yeah, guys, the house was awesome. The lady came down, as you guys saw in that video, talked to us for a minute, and she was super friendly. So it's gonna be a good weekend there. Jacob's on his way. I need to figure out how to telescope my steering wheel, because it's supposed to come out towards me, and that would help me out a ton. But if not, I can just scoot my seat forward like this. That'll help a ton too. The closer you sit to the steering wheel, the more power you have. Hey, that looks sick. Dang, he's not pulling over. What do y'all want to do? Because this sucks.
Well, what's the plan here? A right turn. I'm getting a lot of clunking noises. I don't know if it's my seat or what.
Do you want to pull over and check out that weird sound? Well, this kind of sucks. So that truck's still following us. Really don't know who he is or what he is, to be honest with you guys. So, you checking that noise? Pop a wheelie. So, that thing sounds good. Yeah, true. All right, let's get out and perform this Corvette. Hopefully the bike will let us over. All right, boys. Back on the road. Everything was good. Got a new mic. Road's pretty dry. It's looking good.
God, dude, so much better. I'm not rolling as much in the front. Stuff I got is minty right now, boys.
Oh, M4 looking good. I just pushed so heavy into that corner, it wasn't good. I'm really working on right now is keeping my hands in the same place, because you're really not supposed to feed the wheel, apparently. Okay. Cop ahead.
Pulling people over left and right.
That's not a good sign. Rip in peace, that guy.
Dude, I wonder if I'm not scrubbing in the front right and I'm just getting coilover click.
Oh my God, that thing was eating.
Miller, next pull-up spot, pull over, let me pass you and try and stay on my ass end.
Let's go, baby. So sick. Ryan's so fast in that car, bro. Oh, that's so much fun. I love this road. Love this flow we got going on. Is that nice to me? I'm like lasered focused on this right now, so I'm sorry I'm not talking. This is so insane. Oh my God. This is so cool. Hey, there's that other BRZ. Let's go. This dude on this adventure bike is flying right now.
How'd that feel?
Dude, that was insane, bro. That was so insane. Oh my God.
That is the fastest you've ever gone by far.
Wait, were you trying? Were you trying?
I was about 70%.
Bro, that felt insane. Bro, that was so insane. This dude on this adventure bike can ride though. You wanna pull over here? Oh my God. You wanna stop here, get a new battery, and then head to the dam?
Where do you want to pull over? To the left?
Let's do right side. Let's do right side. Dude, that was killer. I like it. I love this car. Damn. Ooh, the boo's looking good up here. Oh my God.
That's a big.
Damn. That's a long fall. What do you think, Cody? So whenever this gets too high over here, they told me last time, and that you see that little building right there, it shoots water up and he hoses it over and hits the road.
Right there?
Yeah, that little thing, it shoots water all the way down and almost hits the road every time.
Are you serious?
Yeah, whenever they have to release water and stuff.
Well, this water's been low ever since last time we came.
Yeah, it has been.
Dude, I love
You know we can go and park down there, right? That'd be so sick.
We
We need
want to? We could come tomorrow.
Dude,
We gotta take pictures.
with wheels, dude, my car's gonna look so crispy. Well, guys, we are off the dam now. We got Cody working on Ryan's car. We're taking the wheel off. We
And
couldn't
Ryan
really,
working on Ryan's car.
not really, but we are seeing if it's okay. All the little 5-year-olds thought your car was the coolest, so you got some points for that at the house.
He was the only one that let him in.
Good, I spent the most money out of the three, you bastards.
Yeah, so we're taking the wheel off first to see if there's anything behind. Maybe the ball joints are loose. Maybe the frame is disconnected.
You're just naming.
Maybe the wheel is discontinued.
What's the shit from Back to the Future?
The wheel is
You know what I'm talking about?
The flux
The
capacitor.
flux capacitor.
Dude,
it's
that's
gone.
what it is,
Blew a turbo.
man. Blew the turbo seals. That's actually the thing, but
I know, but
blew a turbo. Ooh, not looking like it.
Oh no.
Oh
That
no.
means it's something.
Else.
I knew it was gonna be something else.
Hey, can we throw this off the dam and see how far it can go? No, that's all your spare. You don't need it.
Yeah. I don't see anything out of the ordinary. We'll catch you guys up whenever something happens. What are y'all doing?
My front pipe
your
right there.
front pipe?
It's right under you. That might be what you're feeling.
I can't see. Get a little closer. Get a little closer. What are y'all doing? The man has made it. Oh, and he's brought Tito's. What's up, dude? Everybody, this is Jacob. Jacob, this is Wes.
Hey,
Ryan. Ryan's the Jufro. And then Cody. Jufro.
High school.
And then this is Wes.
How's it going, man?
Wait.
Toaster in the freezer.
Set too high.
Wait, we opened the freezer.
What?
Dude, someone wanted frozen Eggos, dude. Someone.
Why is there a toaster in the freezer?
Let's take that out.
Maybe we just leave it.
Or do we leave it?
Maybe we just leave
Do we
it.
leave it? No, we gotta leave it. It's legendary.
Oh my god. Why is there a toaster in the freezer?
Dude, like it's been in there for a while.
Good morning, you guys. It is the next day, and we're a bit tired. It's about 11:30, so we're about to get our trip on and go to Gatlinburg. It's raining today, so we won't be doing any dragon stuff today, sadly. But Jacob made it down. As you see, his car's right there, as you saw in the intro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a fun night last night. It's so insane. So Jacob made it down, and you'll see that in the next video. And we were just having a ball. So see you guys in the next video. It's gonna be a good one. Have a good week. See you next time.